this tour, shall we? Welcome to our villa. Let me show you where everything is. So, of course, we have our beautiful little mezzanine here. Stunning little seating area, perfect place to take a selfie. And then as we come along this side, we have one of our first bedrooms. This room belongs to Cody and Molly, king and queen of the trip. And you have the gorgeous, stunning pendant lighting here with the rose. And this walk-in bathroom shower. Hello. All right, so next up, we're gonna have another bedroom, which is gonna be right through here. So we've got our twins that are sleeping in here. And it comes fully equipped with a nice little closet and a TV. All right, you've seen enough of this tiny bedroom. Here's going to be the bathroom for the twins. All right, now to complete our side of the villa, we have our stunning kitchen and dining area, suited for four. Our very comfy living room, very modern, super chic, so Mediterranean. Then, of course, we're gonna have our decor. All right off the kitchen is gonna be the most important bedroom because I'm in it. And here we go. I think it has one of the greatest views. Then we have our very, very, very cute bathroom. Now, who doesn't love a nice big walk-in shower? Don't kill me for my tennis shoes, baby. Hello. Yes. Okay, next. We're walking to the other side of the villa. Say hi. And we've got our beautiful living room here. Watch that step. We've got another cute little kitchen. Of course, our kitchenware. Okay, well, not a refrigerator, but disposables. Our beautiful refrigerator here. Fully equipped with the freezer. And let's take it this way. Another seating for four. Lovely little nook here. Perfect little nook here to have a morning coffee at the end of that sort of thing. And another great view. Our private pool is literally everything. And the fact that you can come out from this side of the villa or this side of the villa, it's our pool, it's all ours. Love it. All right, now, let's finish this tour, shall we? Hello. I think we're gonna have a little party. I think we gotta have a party in our outdoor patio. Then we enter into Tifo's bedroom.
Right off the pool.
Right off the pool. Soup's cute. Majorly private.
Absolutely.
Real cozy. Beanbag on lock. TV on deck, but nobody's gonna be using that. And then it looks like we got a bathroom here. So we got the toilet here. And then we got a shower on the other side. She's cozy.
She sure is.
Like, can I get one of these in New York City, please? Ooh, there we got Holly Berry over there. This is ladies. So this room comes fully equipped with an open closet. Beautiful worlds, of course, get cozy in later. And we've got our nice little bathroom. And look at the finish on these sinks. How beautiful is this? Hair dryer, because we need that. We're gonna be all in the water while we're here. It's 69 degrees, nothing but sun.
This one and that one.
Yes,
I was like, why is this deja vu?
yes.
I think it's still left right here, right?
Yeah, all right. Last but not least, you're walking into the one and only MT Nomad, digital nomad Wilson, okay? This room is dedicated to the king, and this is where he should sleep for the next 3 days. Then we have a nice open closet here. More of a little bathroom. The Oval Office, of course. And a nice little place to rinse his dirty thoughts. I think that's it. So we can't wait for you guys to explore the rest of Mykonos with us while we party and turn up in this beautiful villa. We're so geeked.